Hi everyone, my name is Shashwath and I'm a rising 7th grader in middle school. This is my first milestone for the project that I'm working on, which is a gesture controlled robot. So here's what I've done so far for my gesture controlled robot. I've created the chassis and wired it up to the driver controller, which is connected to the ESP. And basically what the robot does so far is that it just moves the wheels forward for 3 seconds, backwards, and then the wheels will move in a way so it can move right, and then in a way so it can move left. So what it actually does is that the code is uploaded onto the ESP, and the ESP sends the commands to the motor driver, and the motor driver is actually the one that's moving the motors. Initially I had used the Arduino just to test to see if the motors worked, but I changed to an ESP because that's what I'll be using for my project, because the ESP is the one that's getting the input values from how I'm moving from the gestures I'm making with my hand, and obviously the motor to send to the motor driver, and then to move the motors. So my code here, this is my code, and basically what the code does is that it moves the motors forward for 3 seconds, backward, left, and right, and then stops it. And it moves, and then the delay means that's gonna happen for 3 seconds, move backwards for 3 seconds, and then etc. And then now I'm gonna show you a demo of my code so far. Plug this in. Moving backwards now, or left, and right. And that's what it does so far. So I'll be using these blocks of code later, obviously, for the ESP to send the command to do that to the motor driver and stuff. And that was my first milestone. My second milestone, I hope to finish basically the whole project by then, so I can just focus on doing my modifications for this project. So that was my first milestone for my gesture controlled robot. Bye.